diabetes, but I manage it well. It's a little pill with a big story to tell. I take once daily Jardians at each day's start.
A civil authority has issued local area emergency for the following counties or areas. Sarasota, Florida, at 4:11 p.m. on August 9th, 2024, effective until 4:11 am August 10th, 2024. Sarasota County flood alert. Myakka River will begin flooding today. Floodwaters move swiftly and rise rapidly. Driving in flooded areas is dangerous and can be deadly. Prepare to protect families and property. Low-lying area, move to higher ground. Evacuation center open at Woodmere Park in Venice. Those relocating, come prepared.